All right, my YiKatoo buyers. Today I'm going to be installing a 5-inch straight pipe on my 2007 Duramax. Um, First thing I like to do is just lay it out and make sure everything's correct. Make sure you got all your pieces. Um, Next thing I'm going to do, mark on the exhaust where I'm going to be cutting, and then I'm going to make some cuts. All right, and the reason that I'm going to be cutting this exhaust is because I am not putting this exhaust back on. I don't see a point in that. So it's basically all scrap metal to me. But another reason that I'm going to be cutting it is because, unfortunately, I'm doing this exhaust on the ground today. I have sitting right there, not set up. Don't mind my mess. Just moved in. Just haven't had time to put it up. But I want this exhaust on, so I'm going to get it done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this exhaust at the rear of the muffler. And then I'm also going to cut it at the front of the muffler, just so that I can drop that off, not have the extra weight hanging there. Then there's actually a clamp right here that I'm going to remove the clamp instead of cutting anything extra. And then to aid in the cat removal, I'm going to cut the back side of the cat. And then towards the front, I'm going to cut the front side of the cat. And then you just got your downpipe clamp up here. Oh, of course you can't see that. You can get to that through the right side fender well. All right, I'm gonna make my cuts and get back to you. All right, got all my exhaust cut up and off. Now you are gonna wanna keep the band clamp that goes around your downpipe to the very first pipe, because that will be reused. You are also going to want to keep all of your OEM hangers, because those will also be reused. And I'm going to start hanging the rest of the exhaust at this point. Alright guys, got my downpipe on, and I'm going to work from the front of to the back of the truck, leave all my clamps loose, and then do a final pass once I got everything dialed in.